Good morning, second grade. Welcome back. Hope everyone's doing well. It's been a while. I know we had fall break, and last week you were working on some routine things, right? But now we're ready to do some math again. So I'm so excited to be back here with you. If you think back to what we were doing before fall break, you might remember that we were working with little money, right? So that's what we're going to be doing today. And this week, we're going to continue working with some money, continue working with place values. And we're going to start by doing a little bit of review, talking with our $1 bills, our $10 bills, and our $100 bills, right? And counting up with them. So that's going to be super important to our lessons this week. So let's get started. Okay, let's start by counting out our $1 bills. Okay, perfect. So $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. Everyone counting with me? 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? Now we have $10. Now, once you have 10 of these ones, we can actually exchange it for one $10 bill, right? So one $10 bill is the same as 10 $1 bill, right? Kind of like when we were drawing, right? Our one lines and our 10 groups, or when we were looking at our place value blocks, all right? And we said that having 10 of these is the same as having one of these, right? You can think of these $1 bills as the same as these 1 cubes, and the $10 bill is the same as these 10 cubes, right? So 10 $1 is the same as one $10. Now let's count with our $10 bills. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, make sure you're counting with me, 60, 70, 80, 90, and next is 100. Very good. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 $10 bills, and that's $100. So it's the exact same as one $100 bill, right? So it's the same as having 10 of these. Remember, it's the same as one 100, right? Or $100 bill. So our money, right, with our $1, $10, and now our $100 is very much like having our 1 cube, our 10 bar, and our 100 block, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, or ones, tens, and 100s. 10 $1 bills gives us one $10 bill. 10 $10 bills gives us one $100 bill. Okay. Now let's practice counting by 100. Okay, so 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and what's next? 1,000, right? Now there's no $1,000 bill that gets used, right? But 10 100s gives me 1,000. Okay, so just one more review time, right? One more time review. If we have our $1 bill and we have 10 of them, that's the same as one $10 bill. If we get our $10 bill and we get 10 of them, that's the same as one $100 bill. Okay. Now let's turn to our workbooks. And we're going to be on page 100s, 5 10s, 9 1s, or 159 is our page that we're on. Okay, and today's lesson is about drawing bills, right? That means drawing our money to make, right? For example, first one is making $240. We can start by counting out our $1 bills, right? Now, so I want you to draw a rectangle with a 1 on it on top of this first rectangle, because that's going to represent our $1 bills. Now, do we use any $1 bills here? Well, I can look at my one place value, right? My one number. It says 0. So I'm not going to use any $1 bills. Now let's look at my $10 bills. How many $10 bills do I need? Well, to make $240, my 10 number here is a 4. So I need 10, 20, 30, $40. Right? Now let's think about our $100 bills. How many $100 bills do I need? Well, to make $240, right, our hundreds number is 2. So I need 100, 200. So now I have 100, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40. So $240. Now remember, right, I could, now you don't need to write this, but instead of using a $10 bill, I could also use 10 $1 bills. Because remember, 10 $1 bills is the same as one $10 bill. Right? I could also, instead of using a $100 bill, I could use 10 $10 bills. Because 10 $10 bills, like we talked about earlier, remember, 10 $10 bills is the same as one $100 bill, right? It's the exact same. So the way that we did it, right, was the easiest way to write $240, but you can use, right, different combinations. So I want you to try exploring that, right, as you go through the other. All right, second grade. So you're going to work on your exit ticket. Remember that we're going to work quietly. Remember that we're going to work by ourselves. Right? I know you want to help your classmates, but I want to see what you can do. So make sure that you're working by yourselves and trying your very best. And when you're done, you can raise your hand and your teachers will come collect your work and give you some additional assignments to work on IXL and iReady. Okay. But yeah, great job today. It's good to be back with you. And I can't wait to see you all again in another video tomorrow. Bye, second grade.